Here we go. Got those vatos hooked up again, folks. Right side of the boat's killing me. Gosh dang it. Come on, Leroy.
Oh boy.
Here we go. He's got a beast, folks. If we can see him, hang on here. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's a good one, Jeffrey. Not too bad, not too bad.
Not at all.
20 pounder?
20 pounds, even.
Right on the dot. One of the best blues I've seen in a while. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Woo! That's a good looking fish, sir.
Yes, sir, it is. Thank you.
I'm all shaking. Hang on here. I gotta get some pics. Got me shaking, boys. Oh, it ain't focusing. There she goes. It's such a good fish. I can't even fit him all in there, bro. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna be going to town here in a second. There we go. That's your pick right there. Smile, nigga.